In order to get the most out of your email AI system, you will need to put in a lot of information into your knowledge base. So there are two main sources of adding information in. The first one is your customer-facing website. So in order to do that, you can stick in your URL here. This will fetch all of your customer-facing web pages, and you can then add these pages in, or you can add pages in one at a time. You can then choose to have the system automatically refresh the content from the web pages on a periodic basis. Next, you can add in files here, and these could be PDFs, spreadsheets, or potentially your existing email templates that you have in your system. So we want to give the AI as much information as possible in order for it to make the best suggested responses to agents. This free text field is similar to the above. It's just a place for you to put in information and is perhaps an easier way to make fast changes. So if you had a sale on, or if you had to close the office for a particular reason and that information wasn't on the website, you could just put it in here. The final piece is the prompt. Now, this is really important. This is the instruction that goes to the AI to let it know how to respond to an email. So what goes in here? First of all, you want to put in any context about your business. And this can include, for example, if you've got multiple brands and each brand has emails coming in from a different email address, you can put that information in here. You can also put in generic information around what sort of content you want to go in the email. So in this case, I've asked for it to include helpful links and err on the side of being verbose and giving as much information as possible. We can also specify what the sign-off should look like. And then finally, if you have any concrete examples of what a good email response looks like, that's absolutely worth including here, because the AI really likes to be able to see exactly what sort of format works well. So in this case, I've put in a generic response here. You obviously should change that to suit your tone of voice and your brand guidelines and your own business. But essentially, this information then will help make that email response better. In terms of improving this over time, Talkative is absolutely here to help you create and refine these prompts and the knowledge base. But these are the tools that we'll be using to improve the system, so it's worth understanding how they work and how you might improve them.